Exporting Salesforce reports to Google Sheets with G-Connector. Having live Salesforce data in Google Sheets for offline analysis offers significant benefits. Salesforce's robust reporting tools enable the extraction of essential data, and with G-Connector, these capabilities are further enhanced, bridging Salesforce's reporting power with Google Sheets' versatility. To import a Salesforce report, start by clicking Launch from G-Connector's menu. This action opens a sidebar with various options. Select Import Data, then choose Report from the list of options. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to select an existing Salesforce report to run. By default, this list includes recently run reports, but you can also search for specific reports. Before executing the report, you can specify the starting cell for the data and decide whether to create a new sheet or use an existing one. G-Connector offers additional features such as autofilling formulas, freezing headers, creating dropdowns for picklists, and generating printable report views. It provides 3 options for data refresh behavior: overwrite the existing data, append to the end of the sheet, or create a new sheet. These options determine how data is updated upon refreshing the report. Furthermore, G-Connector allows for further data filtering within the reports. The Scheduler tab enables the setup of automatic report refreshes at your chosen frequency. Once configured, G-Connector ensures your data remains up to date without further input. Automatic refreshes can also be adjusted later through the Schedule Automatic Data Operations option. After finalizing your settings, click Get Report to populate your spreadsheet with the selected data. For additional guidance on leveraging your Salesforce data in Google Sheets, explore our G-Connector tutorials.